Why does 2 plus 3 times 4 equal 14, not 20? Today, we're unlocking the secret of mathematical order that Python follows. Today, we're mastering order of operations. You'll understand the BODMAS or PEMDAS rules that Python follows, trace through complex expressions step by step, use parentheses to control exactly what happens when, and avoid those sneaky calculation mistakes that catch everyone. Let's become order of operations experts. Here's the beautiful thing about Python. It follows exactly the same mathematical rules you learned in math class. That means no new rules to memorize. Python uses BODMAS or PEMDAS, whichever you learned. The order is totally predictable. Before we dive in, what do you think 2 plus 3 times 4 should equal? Take a moment to think about it. Let's see what Python actually gives us. We assign 2 plus 3 times 4 to result, then print it. If we went left to right, we'd get 20. But Python gives us 14. Why? Because Python follows mathematical order. Here's the order Python follows, and it's the same as math class. First, anything in brackets or parentheses. Then orders or exponents with double star. Next, division and multiplication, including double slash and the mod operator, working left to right. Finally, addition and subtraction, also left to right. Remember this order and you'll never get confused. Let's trace through our example step by step. We start with 2 plus 3 times 4. First, we look for parentheses. There aren't any. No exponents either. But we do have multiplication. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we have 2 plus 12, which equals 14. That's why Python gives us 14, not 20. Here's how Python thinks through it. Original expression is 2 plus 3 times 4. Step 1. Do multiplication first, so 3 times 4 becomes 12. Now we have 2 plus 12. Step 2. Do the addition, so 2 plus 12 equals 14. Python calculated it perfectly using mathematical order. But what if you actually want addition to happen first? That's where parentheses become your superpower. By wrapping parts in parentheses, you can force Python to calculate exactly what you want, when you want it. Look at this comparison. Without parentheses, we get 2 plus 3 times 4 equals 14, because multiplication happens first. But with parentheses around 2 plus 3, we force the addition first. 2 plus 3 equals 5, then 5 times 4 equals 20. Same numbers, different order, completely different result. Let's tackle a complex example. 100 minus, in parentheses, 20 plus 10 times 2. Step 1, parentheses first, so 20 plus 10 equals 30. Step 2, multiplication next, so 30 times 2 equals 60. Step 3, subtraction last, so 100 minus 60 equals 40. See how parentheses changed everything? Here's a real-world example that shows why order matters. We're calculating a restaurant bill with tip. The wrong way gives us 250 plus drinks times tip percentage. That calculates the tip only on drinks. But the right way uses parentheses to add meal and drinks first, then multiply by tip percentage. That calculates tip on the whole bill, how much more fair to the waiter. Watch out for this super common trap. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. Your brain might think 30 divided by 2 equals 15. But Python does division first. 20 divided by 2 equals 10, then 10 plus 10 equals 20. If you want 15, you need parentheses around 10 plus 20. Quick challenge. What will 10 plus 2 times 5 evaluate to? Remember the order rules? The answer is 20. First, multiplication happens. 2 times 5 equals 10. Then addition. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Not 15, because we don't go left to right. Here's a pro tip that'll save you hours of debugging. When you're not absolutely sure about the order, just use parentheses. They make your code crystal clear to read and ensure Python does exactly what you intend. Better safe than sorry. Let's practice with more examples. 2 to the power of 3 plus 1. Exponents first, so 8 plus 1 equals 9. 100 divided by 10 times 2. Division and multiplication left to right, so 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 plus 2 in parentheses times 5. Parentheses first, so 12 times 5 equals 60. And 10 plus 2 times 5 in parentheses. Multiplication in parentheses first, so 10 plus 10 equals 20. Outstanding work. You're now an order of operations master. We learned that Python follows the exact same BODMAS or PEMDAS rules as math class. The order is parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, finally addition and subtraction. We discovered how to use parentheses to control exactly what happens when. And we saw how the same numbers with different order can give completely different results. You're ready for Boolean expressions next.